Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the DRL lights, also known as daytime running lights, fuses, relays on Mercedes GLC D generation right here, guys. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the DRL lights, daytime running lights, before we start, now guys, we need to check some fuses, but you actually have in the instrument cluster, in the menu, you have an option where you can manually activate or deactivate the lights. Just to know that, because if you have problems with them, you can check that option there. Well, now the fuses and the relays that we need to check, we'll be working in a fuse box that's under the hood. Facing the engine, it's on the right side. This is the driver's side here. Guys, if you open that cover, underneath, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here we need to check 3 main fuses, where they're located. Let's talk about that now. We're talking first about fuse 108, fuse 110, and fuse 128 here. So 108, 110, 128. What about relays? You don't have specifically dedicated relay. Now the relay function most likely is controlled by the front SAM control module, SAM module. So if you still have problems with the DRL lights, daytime running lights, guys, check fuses, relays for the front SAM control module. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing that help as well. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.